Good evening, everyone. So, I am Althea Lorraine Belara from Batch 4. So, yung topic naman po natin today, in September 16, huwag kang mag-suicide. Ito ang tatlong dahilan or soul sleep. At ang scripture, excuse me, at ang scripture naman po natin today ay matatagpuan sa 1 Thessalonians 4:13 hanggang 15. So, basahin po muna natin syempre yung concept ng soul sleep or spirit sleep. Soul sleep is the teaching that when believers die, their soul enter a state of unconscious existence, only to be awakened at Christ's return for the resurrection. This view is often based on the passage where death is described as sleep. The Bible teaches that while the body does sleep in the grave awaiting resurrection, the soul is immediate conscious in God's presence. Scripture affirms that to be absent from the body is to be present with the Lord, and that believers who die are already with Christ. Thus, death is not unconsciousness for the believer but a blessed entrance into God's presence while waiting for the final resurrection. So, dito po, no, ang ibig sabihin po na soul sleep, ay it is the teaching that when believers die, their souls enter a state of unconscious existence. So, meron po kasing, excuse me po, meron po kasing mga, ito po ang pinaniniwalaan sa Bible na kapag ang Kristiyano ay namatay, automatically, pag ang Panginoong Diyos po ay bumaba galing sa langit, sila po ay gigising ng Panginoon at diretso na sa paraiso o sa kaharian ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Na kung saan, sabi nga dito na thus, that is not unconsciousness for the believer but a blessed entrance into God's presence while waiting the final resurrection. So, parang ito na po kasi yung parang pahinga ka na and then diretso ka na agad sa paraiso ng Panginoon dahil ikaw ay namatay nang may pagkakakilanlan sa Panginoon at talaga namang may relasyon sa ating Panginoong Diyos. And sabi sa teachings, the 3 reasons you should not commit suicide. We have here the 3 reasons na bakit hindi ka pwedeng mag-commit ng suicide. The first one is, suicide does not add consciousness. Many people truly love and care for you, and God has a purpose and plan for your life. And you should always keep in mind of all those 3 reasons na kung bakit hindi ka dapat mag-commit ng suicide. So that's all, everyone. Thank you so much po and have a great day ahead.